How to reset Duolingo password. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Duolingo application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface with the text box where you can enter your information to log in. But since we are trying to reset your password, you have to go for forget password option over here. And you need to enter the email in which you want to receive a link to reset your password. You have to go for send email option. Now you have to go back to your Gmail account and reach out to the email that Duolingo has sent. And here you can see Duolingo has sent me an email for resetting a password. You have to simply tap on reset password option and you'll be able to see the text box where you have to enter the new password. So in the first text box you have to enter the new password, and similarly in the second text box you need to enter new password for confirmation. And once you're done, you can go for reset password. And finally the password has been updated. So this is how you reset Duolingo password. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.